How about show Ryder his football outfit too? Look, Ryder. Look, Rydy.
Wow, look at these.
Are those from Santa?
I don't know. Did you get those?
No. They just showed up here.
Lionel.
Come show him.
Lionel. Santa gave you these. Santa Claus gave you these. Here, Lionel.
Bless you, Rydy.
Put in the garbage.
Careful, Bob.
That's scared me.
Pick up the papers.
Show Ryder his new football.
Look at your football outfit.
Oh my goodness.
Look, you got a football outfit.
He'll like that.
Hi, Ryder.
That'll be nice and warm.
Good morning. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.